Hello, welcome. So in this video, I'll show you how you can install data layer on your WordPress website. So for that, you need to install a plugin. So in the previous video, I showed you how you can install the plugin and also install Google Tag Manager. So now in this video, I'll show you how you can install a data layer. So if you don't know, this is important because we need to send dynamic value to various platforms like Facebook or Google Ads or Google Analytics, also TikTok, Snapchat, Pinterest, Pixels, and everything. So for that we need a data layer so that we can send a dynamic value with our website events. So at first let's go to our WordPress backend. Now let's find the plugin we installed in the earlier videos. You can see my videos in the description. So for that, okay, so plugins, then install plugins. If you don't have the plugin, I am just showing for a minute. Please check that. Just go to add new plugin and search GTM4 WP. When you search that, you just need to install this plugin. So I already demonstrated about this installation and also installation of Google Tag Manager on our website, so you can check that video. So now we have to go to our plugin. This is Google Tag Manager. In the settings you can find it. Okay, so as we can see, we already installed our Tag Manager ID, so that is why it is placed here. This is our ID. Now let's install the data layer. For that, go to integration and click WooCommerce. So now we have to tick mark this track e-commerce event, e-commerce data basically. Then also here you can see customer data in data layer. You can click checkbox this. Then also order data in data layer. Click on this. So now we can also do something, exclude shipping from revenue. No, okay, so everything is fine, very good, and we have to just save it, save changes. Perfect. So after doing that, we can go to our tag manager. Let's check something, that if there is anything left. So I am just checking that. Okay, so everything is good for now, so we don't need to do anything currently. Okay, so perfect. Now just go to our Google Tag Manager and let's click preview to check our data layer in our tag assistant. So here is our website. You need to paste it. Now click connect. Superb. Now so we are in our home page. So we can see that it is connected. So our data is arriving here. So in this page there is some collections of products, so you can see view item list, but I want to show you a specific product page. Clicking on this item, now this is connected also, and this is a specific product page, so you can see a on product. So now for that, let's visit here again. We can see the information of this page in this tab or in this information. So if we click view item, so view item means a product page viewed. So when a people visit any kind of product page, then a event will fire that is called view item. So click view item. So we haven't configured any kind of text, that is why tags are empty, no problem. Let's click data layer. So boom, so what can we see? That we can see a very well structured data layer here. So let's match something. The product name is here. Let's copy it and find it. So you can see that the item name, this is actually in the GA4 schema, Google Analytics 4 schema. So it is GA4 schema. I will talk about it later. Now so you can see that item name is perfectly coming here. Also the product is 34, so we can see that the product is 34, and also the currency is BDT. So we can see this is actually the sign of BDT. And what can we see more? We can see that the item ID. So item ID is cannot be visible from the front side, we can see in the backend. And the price also we can see that. And if I add to cart, what happen? Let's click add to cart. We can see a add to cart event fired. So okay, close this. A add to cart event fired, and perfectly the data also is here available. So under this we can see that the product we just added to cart is this, that is this product. Also the price is similar, definitely. Also the currency, then the item name. And if we see what is the quantity is on. So let's check if we add two items. Okay, for now let's visit another product, and we want to buy 5 items. So we just make this 5 and click add to cart. So if we do that and go to our add to cart item event, so we can see what we can see that we just added this product and the quantity is 5. So this is the additional products we can see here for that. So we want to consider the first one, always consider the first item. So we can see that the product price is 32, and here you can see what is the price. Yes, this is 32. This is currency. Total value is on 60, because if we uh, count it, 32 into 5, what is it? On 60. That is why the total value is on 60. And also the item category is plants. Here you can see the item category is plants. So it is plants. It, category is plants. Okay. And also the quantity is 5, already we know. And this is how everything is coming dynamically. So that is how you can use this data layer. So if we proceed, we can show you everything, like view cart. So if it load, then you can see a view cart event fired. So we can track this our view cart event. Also if we go to proceed to checkout, we can see begin checkout event also fired, and every data is also here. Total amount, total value is on 94. Everything else you can see on 94. If we buy something now, just place an order, you can see the value is on 94. Just order. Oh nice. So we can see that purchase event just fired. So that is how we can also fire a purchase event. So this is how you can install a data layer. And please, if you subscribe to my channel, you can see lots of tutorial like this in the later videos. So I will bring more tutorials related to WordPress WooCommerce series, and also other platform tracking. So till then, thank you.